In this lesson, we'll be looking at these three. It's hard to find similar equivalent sound from English phonetics. So these three, they're fresh new sounds to you, but we'll find a way. Let's look at the first one. It is Ji. It's kind of like the J-E-E sound in Jeep, but you have to give it a bigger smile. That's why we call this group smiling group. When you pronounce these three, it's like you're smiling. So, Ji. Read after me. Ji. Ji. And the second one is similar to the C-H-E-E sound, but not entirely. You have to pull the corners of your lips even more, giving a bigger smile. So, Qi. Read after me. Qi. Qi. And the last one, some people say is similar to she. Now let's try to make it simple for you to pronounce it. Say the sound sh first. While pronouncing this sound, keep the tip of your tongue behind your bottom teeth, and then spread your lips wide open. So it is xi. It might be easier if you read them together because they have the same tongue position. Ji, qi, xi. Read after me. Ji, qi, xi. Ji, qi, xi. Now let's look at them in some words. How do you pronounce this initial? It is ji, jia. Read after me. Ji, jia. Ji, jia. And how do you pronounce this sound? Qi, qian. 跟我读。qi, qian. Qi, qian. And the last one, it is xi. Remember, ji, qi, xi. Say them together. It might be easier. Xi. And you might know this phrase already. 谢谢. It means thank you. Read after me. Xi. 谢谢. Ji. 谢谢. Okay, that's the end of our lesson. Remember to keep practicing. Until next time, 再见.